Why a heavy-duty divert? The Posisorter high capacity runs at high speeds, which generates significant forces on the switching mechanism. To handle this, the divert system is built for durability using robust materials like solid aluminum and nylon. Instead of the traditional pin design, it uses a wheel for diverting, which provides better endurance and performance under heavy use. What is the difference between a pin and a wheel divert? With a pin divert, force is applied to the static components, which create friction. The Posisorter high capacity uses a wheel and a bearing that directs these forces along the same path of the sorting action. This results in a lower impact and minimal friction, making it more efficient. Are there other benefits to using a wheel divert? With a wheel divert, the sorter runs more smoothly. This significantly reduces noise and minimizes wear and tear on the divert mechanism. This makes the Posisorter high capacity more durable and robust over time.